Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be watching how to make beautiful fabric based earrings and pendants. So before getting to the video, those who are watching for the first time, don't forget to subscribe the channel. So for this, all that we need is as a base is a thick cardboard sheet. So here I took a cardboard sheet. I am drawing and cutting the shape, pendant shape and the earring shape, whichever I am going to do. So I am preferring a rectangular shape. So 2 pieces for rectangular shape for pendant and 4 pieces for earrings. Always do remember the back portion sheet should be 2 mm smaller than the front portion, so that when you are attaching it, it will give a nice finishing look. So once we cut, for my reference I am mentioning it as a front and back like this. So now let us see how to attach the fabric. Here I took a plain black fabric. So initially those who are doing for the first time, please go with the plain fabric only. So you no need to very keen about design portion, like where the pattern is coming and how to match with the earring pattern, all those things. So avoid that, go with the plain portion. So like this, placing the pendant sheet over to that cloth, we have to leave little margins and we have to apply the glue like this. Once we apply the glue, we will be holding the pendant portion very tightly so that it will not move, and give a small portion cuttings like this. So these cuttings we usually do because if you directly fold it, there is a chances of getting a wrinkles on the top of the pendant. That's why we will cut these into small little portions and then we will fold it like this. So our front portion of the pendant is ready. The same way we will be doing the back portion of the pendant also. Same way we will leave the margin and then cut into the small portions, apply thoroughly the glue and fix it. So we have to leave this pendant about 10 minutes. It will dry very fast. So once this is done, we have to plan our pendant designing portion. As it is a black cloth, I am planning a black and silver combination. So using a small charms, round charms, using a hard glue, I am going to attach these charms to the front side of the pendant like this. Once this is done, I am planning a plain mirror work. Instead of golden bordered kundans, I took plain mirrors, square shaped mirrors. As the middle portion of the pendant looks little empty, I am elevating and giving a statement look using a single mirror like this. So with this, our pendant is ready, and providing the provisions of hanging, like making a necklace. For that we are giving 2 pins either side, corner side, and then closing the pendant. So let it dry for 15-20 minutes because we used a hard glue, and to make a mala, pins has to be folded properly. Once that is done, we'll move forward to make the earrings. The same cloth, using same portions, we are cutting and making the earring portions. You may find little difficult to do this earring card sheets because it is comparatively very small in size. So like this, carefully we have to do this sheets also. Initially front 2 portions and then back portions. Totally 4 sheets I am going to do for the earrings also. So our earring sheets are ready here. Now based on the theme of our pendant, I am going to attach the same kind of a charm in the earring also. As our earring sheet is very smaller, only single charm will serve our purpose like this. And again same pattern like mirrors. Mirrors I am going to give border of all this rectangular sheet like this. So here I used a rayon cloth, a rayon black cloth, and if you are using cotton cloth, you will feel more easy to stick the properties, kind of like these kind of properties and all. in the cotton cloth actually. So like this design. So once it is done, using a earring push pin, I close the back portion, and then for this charm I am attaching a jhumka. See, like this. How beautiful it looks. See, very elegant, very simple work and very elegant, beautiful work. So with this, our earrings are ready, and our pendant has a small work pending. We have to attach these rings and these balls. So for hanging, if you give a jhumka, I feel like it will be little weighing, and even that necklace also will come over to that, no? So that's why I planned in such a way that it will have a very lightweight oxidized balls hangings like this. So with this, our pendant is also ready. So now all that we have is we have to plan our necklace. Correct? How to make this necklace. So when we are doing these kind of pendants, plans in such a way that very lightweight necklace we will plan. Like I am using here cotton thread. Some 4 lines cotton thread I took with the help of corner pins. I have attached it, and I took one oxidized ball, and I gave a knot. Then again giving one 2.5 inch distance, another oxidized ball I am giving. So to stop the movement of this ball, we are giving knots here and there. So totally 4 balls I have attached one side. So in the same way, using these cotton threads and oxidized balls, we are doing the second side also. So here the challenge for the second side is what, like giving the equal intervals between the balls in the either side, like left side and right side, we have to give equal intervals for these balls, no? So for that purpose, you have to keep this necklace down, and each time whenever you are inserting a ball, compare the distance and then give a knot and then insert the balls, and go further. We have to go ahead and do this mala like this. So with this, our mala also will be ready. So each side 4 beads I have put. So finally, I am even planning this mala in such a way that there will be a kind of adjustable bead, so that we can make it lengthy and short also. So for that, I used a silk thread wrapped beads for adjustable bead purpose, and then giving a knot backside. See how nice our necklace has turned into. So this is how we will make simple necklaces using fabric earrings, fabric pendants. So this is a plain cloth, what I told you. So apart from this, we also made printed fancy kind of a necklace set also. See, like this. But printed fabric, when you are using, the challenge is how nicely you will take a pattern for the pendant, as well as how nicely you will use the same pattern for the earrings. That is a challenge. So initially, I suggest you to try with a plain cloth. Then we can go ahead further. And with these kind of necklaces, you always go for a small weight beads necklace designing, so that the life of the necklace will be little more. Apart from these necklace and earrings, we also made bangles also, fabric bangles. See, like this. So that's it. This is about today's video. Hope you all like this video. Stay tuned for more videos as such. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.